So the required materials are paper, gum, scissor, ruler and a pencil. Now take a colorful A4 size paper and fold it into half vertically. Then again fold your paper as shown in the video. Now unfold it and fold into half in a horizontal way. Now take your ruler, measure an inch and then fold it. As you can see the marking line, just make triangular fold here and repeat the same process on other side. Remember students, paper origami are little difficult to make, but still if you follow the instruction it is very easy. Now apply gum inside to make it more strong and usable. Here I am adding purple color strip to make that lock system. So whenever you are doing origami, please try to add contrast color so that it can enhance the look. We know all that bows are trending all over the internet. So let's make a bow for our purse too. Here I am making a paper bow, but you can even add ribbons. Now add glue over here and that's it. Our purse is ready. You can use this purse for storage or keeping candies or even for gifting. So let me know in the comment section if you like this idea or not. Thank you. Bye bye.